management. Katakot-takot na pera to, and we're trying to have historical data. Para tayo nagtatapon ng pera kasi nga, ito yung dredging flood control and drainage system. Alam naman po natin dito kung saan napupunta ito Baka pwedeng i-revisit natin ito at bawasan din natin yung katakot-takot na flood control, flood management, drainage.
How much is meant? I agree. Tanggalin natin.
Ito po, 2014, 36 billion. 2015, 49 billion. 2016, 64 billion.
No, saan ba yung...
2017, 80 billion. GAA 2018, 141 billion. And then 2019 NEP, 133 billion. Puro billion ito, Mr. President. Kung bumili na tayong dredging, katakot-takot na dredging machine ito.
I agree with you, Senator Lacson, yung dredging talagang malaking racket.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. President. These are very good suggestions and experiences shared. But I'm afraid we may be talking to the wrong audience because dumadami dredging pagdating sa house Hindi na tayo si PWH. Doon dumadami katakot-takot ng items